This is a transparent filter housing which is 20 inches in length. It is a casing used to hold either a sediment filter or a carbon filter. They are of different dimensions depending on the type of filter to be installed on the casing. It is made of transparent material to indicate when the filter needs to be replaced by checking the color change of the filter inside the housing. It's usually placed as the last stage of sediment filtration so as to enable detection of color change of the sediment filters. To replace a cracked or a faulty filter housing, you screw it clockwise to open it, pick the new one, unwrap it and screw it anti-clockwise to close it back to the machine.